Pohoro Gardens is a small park of about 3 acres on Mui Avenue, Mombasa, just adjacent to the Mombasa Tusks. It is a good retreat in the middle of the city from heat and hectic traffic, with lot of trees offering shade and cool atmosphere. Hundreds of people can be seen loitering around or sitting on ground to while away the time. There are very few benches and people are forced to sit on ground. Sitting on grass is prohibited. The guard hovering around will force you to offer bribe if you are caught sitting on